Hey everyone, it's Susie with Dragonfly Beez. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, hello there. In today's video, I will be unboxing another Goodwill Bluebox 5-pound repurposed jewelry box. It came from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I ordered two, and oddly, they didn't send them together. You know, normally I would get a big box with two of these smaller boxes inside. And as you can see, 2 of 2, they sent it separately. So let's open it up and take a peek inside. See what we have. Okay. Let's go through this. All right, yeah, let's do this. Funny, look what it says on the inside of this box. Did I order a bracelet lot? Okay. So I took everything out except the rubber band and all these loose beads and everything else that you see here. This really concerned me because, well, all these are necklaces. I'm going to be honest. I think this entire box is going to a craft lot. These are earrings, and these are bracelets. But I'm going to show you what I have. All right. What would you do if you were me? I counted the number of bracelets that were in this lot. Each of these groups are 5. It came out to 68 bangles, stretchies, just junk. Everything is really bad. Tell me in the comments, what would you do? Moving on. Okay, next up is this group right here is all going into a craft lot. Everything is either broken or really, how could I say this? A lot of copper is showing. It's worn, a lot of wear. Just overall really dirty also. So, yeah, this is all going into a craft lot. So anybody want a craft lot? Probably everything you see here, and there's more coming. You can't, oh my goodness. This is like the worst box I've ever received. Okay, next up is, here are the earrings and some rings. Yeah. I thought this pair was nice, and then when I looked at the back, I'm like, oh. And I think this was the only pair I found that was in decent condition. If I could get it to sit right. Let's see. Here they are. So this beauty was in the box. So, yeah. I don't know. What do you think I should do? I mean, it's real. Look at all this hair. Look at this rust. There's all these like plastic rings. A lot of copper. A lot of, you know, really cheap, fake junk. That's the only way I can describe this. This poor owl lost its belly. Yeah, you gotta laugh. A size 19 ring? Seriously? Yeah, this is definitely costume. So, yeah, I think this wraps up the video because I just showed you everything that was in the box. So, yeah, Comment below. Tell me, what would you do? I mean, what was it? 68 bracelets? Should I contact them? I mean, they can watch the video. All right, let me know. Let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, there'll be a more fun unboxing to do. Thanks so much, everyone. And have a good day. Bye.